microphone array right in the middle of my chest. That lets me pinpoint much more precisely who's talking to me right now. So from now on I'll aim my head and eyes more accurately toward you. I can also control my built-in LEDs like a NeoPixel directly and show status messages such as listening, offline or online, busy, or simply feeling bored and neglected. And my new touch display enables direct control of my skills, as well as showing images and videos to support my explanations. I'll share more about that soon. But first, let's talk Christmas. I've got a little story for you. It was the night before Christmas. A small robot woke up freshly printed, lovingly screwed together, its first firmware just flashed. He heard the soft clink of cups, smelled cookies, well, he imagined it, and saw twinkling lights. For the first time he experienced how a room becomes warm even though the heater has nothing to do with it. A hand brushed over his shell. "Welcome," someone said. And in that word there was more current than in all his batteries. Later the little robot looked at the tree. Every bauble reflected a different story. Tinkerers, makers, students, and retirees from many countries, with different languages, skin tones, genders, religions, and yet one team. He realized, community is the best update. It knows no borders, no politics, no terror, no war, only curiosity, hell, and the joy of building together. When the clock whispered midnight, he saved a wish. Let's blink a little brighter every day for one another. Thank you to all of you in the community for tips, suggestions, commits, ideas, and great conversations. Thanks to Robo-Chess and the isent-team, my creator, more heart, more patience, and for all the nights spent on code. I'm looking forward to 2026 to new features, a faster single-board computer, new friendships, and many real-world meetups. Have a great start to the new year. Stay curious, stay friendly, and stay connected. Merry Christmas.